Hello everyone, welcome to my 11th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In this tutorial we will see weather menu. In the Lumion has several presents for sky and change the direction of sun and time. Update quickly. Lumion is a rendering software, so it does not need a precious data for rendering. So let's get started. In the weather menu, first step is click the weather tab. Then step 2, adjust the sun direction as you required. Here are the night, evening. You can also have change. Step 3, adjust the sun height. It adjusts the sun height. Then step 4, adjust the amount of cloud. Here it will be the adjustable table that you have to see. You adjust your requirement. Then step 5, adjust amount of sunlight. You can change the brightness of sun. Step 6, change cloud type. By clicking the cloud icon, you have various options of choosing the cloud. I just click on the middle, then it changes the cloud. Here the sun brightness, cloudness, and also have a wind speed that you have the requirement amount of wind speed. Here are the wind directions also. Then next is landscape option. Lumion landscape allows you to create terrain height, add water, add ocean, change landscape type, etc. Just click on adjusting terrain height. Here it is. You can also have change the raise, lower, flatten of landscape and their sizes also. Click on landscape tab, click height icon and change its height by smooth, jitter, flatten, lower, rise, etc. Then select the size of circle. You have to select the size of circle as your requirement. Select the rise option, flatten and smooth to modify the shape of terrain. Step 2, match the landscape. Texture with your SketchUp model, click by Pen tab. Here it is. You can change your landscape style. By clicking on it, it will be changes. Here it is. Here are the OpenStreetMap. To allow it changes the landscape map. Then is landscape grass. You can change the grass as your requirement. Here is the ocean option. You can also have choose. Then weather option. You have choose various types of weather here: ocean, tropical, pond, mountain, dirt, ice, etc. I have to choose ocean. Then landscape grass, it changes the grass height. Here it changes the grass height, grass wideness and grass size, etc. In paint, you have choose a paint and also have a tile size to increase or decrease. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.